So guys, look what we just picked up. They said the motor is shot on this washing machine. An old wash tub. A double one. So I wanted this to do my blankets and my rugs in. Here's the motor that was on that washing machine and it's shot. So he has this one right here. He's going to put this one on it.
And rig it up.
He's going to see if he can make it work.
I might be able to bend that to come on there.
And there's a different motor he put in. I'm going to be washing some rugs today. We'll see how it works since he got that new motor on it. I got all my rugs washed. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.